Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a delicious mouth-watering beef burger that's gonna have some caramelized onions, melted cheese. Oh man, it's gonna be amazing. You gotta try this one. Let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, grab a bowl. In with the beef mince. Keep things simple. In with black pepper. A good pinch of salt in there. Wash your hands and give this a really good mix. Just gonna mix the spices really well into that. Super easy to make these burgers. Rich with flavor and so delicious. Perfect. Grab yourself a plate. We're just gonna grab some of that mince into our hands. 4 to 5 tablespoons, depending on how big burger you want. Shape them into nice patties here. So what you do now is you just push it down slightly onto the plate. Alright, so grab your pan and turn the heat to medium high. Let me show you what the heat looks like. Around medium. Alright, so the pan is nice and hot, just a touch of oil. So in with our beautiful burger. There we go, look at that. Another one. Cook them until nice and brown. Alright, so it's been around 2 minutes, I would say. I'm just gonna flip them over, yeah? Look at that, beautiful color. Don't press them down. Alright, there we go, another one. Lovely. At this point in time, I'm just gonna move them to the side here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add a touch of oil onto the side here. In with our beautiful onions, alright? Just going to caramelize them. Just gonna let the burgers cook and we're just gonna caramelize these. Oh, look at that. Add a touch of Worcester sauce into there. And give it a good mix. Worcester sauce adds a bit of that sweetness, you know, almost like a relish. We're not using relish today, but this is gonna be amazing. Look at those onions. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave these in the middle here. What I'm gonna do now is just add those onions on top of that, alright? There you go. Stack up those onions onto there. Lovely. Alright guys, now we're going to add our beautiful cheese on top of there. It's almost gonna cover that burger, yeah? So nice and easy. Just add that in there. Using a plate, just cover it, yeah? Give this a minute. Alright guys, let's check our beautiful burgers. And look at that. Amazing. Just turn off the heat now. Guys, again I've got these beautiful brioche buns. I think I've been using brioche buns all my episodes, but trust me, that's what I like. They're lovely in texture. Gonna toast them. Alright guys, let's plate this up here. I've got my homemade chili sauce. Lovely in texture. The recipe is on my channel if you want it. And I'm gonna keep things very simple. I'm not using any lettuce, tomatoes, onions, etc. But if you want, go ahead and get those as well. Alright guys, grab your toasted bun. Just gonna add a touch of the sauce I made before onto there. Look at that. Classic. Oh yeah. Amazing. I like a bit more chili on there. So I'm just gonna place that here. Just gonna grab our beautiful looking burger. Look at that. Amazing. I'm just gonna place it onto there. Finally, the top of the bun goes onto there. Yes, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Perfect. That looks amazing, right? So bismillah. Like I said, it's very easy to make, very simple yet delicious. Those caramelized onions, a beautiful sauce, and a perfectly cooked burger.
Delicious.
Wow. So delicious. Oh, just look at that.
Perfect.
Dip onto that. Those caramelized onions and the cheddar cheese. Make sure to definitely try it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.